Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A few years after the martyrdom of Lady Fatma Zahra, Imam Ali expressed his desire to his brother Aqil bin Abu Talib to marry a woman of a brave tribe. Hazrat Aqil was very knowledgeable in tribe genealogy, and he immediately proposed the name of Hazrat Fatma bint Hizam bin Khalid, and the marriage took place soon after. Much earlier during 8AH, Imam Ali had been given the prophecy by Prophet Muhammad of a brave son, who would be martyred alongside with his brother Imam Hussein on the day of Ashura. Ever since then, Imam Ali had been waiting for the birth of that son. The woman, who bore and brought up that hero Hazrat Abbas, the standard bearer of Imam Hussein, was al-Banin. She was the daughter of Hizam ibn Khalid and wife of Imam Ali. She was from the courageous family of Bani Kalab. Her maiden name was Fatima, but when she bore Imam Ali 4 sons, she was called al-Banin, mother of sons. al-Banin had such sincerity toward the Holy Prophet's progeny that she loved Imam Hassan and Hussein more than her own children. A feeling which was from the bottom of her heart. It was to the extent that when she received the news stating the martyrdom of her 4 children, she said, "Tell me about Hussein first," and when she received the news of Imam Hassan's martyrdom, she said, "All of the arteries of my heart are torn. May all of my children be sacrificed for the sake of Imam Hussein." Banin gathered women of Medina in her house, and they all cried on the martyrdom of Imam Hussein. This was the first ever majlis conducted after the martyrdom of Imam Hussein in Medina. After the arrival of Imam Sajjad and Lady Zainab in Medina, Banin used to continuously gather women in her house and narrate how Imam Hussein and his companions were martyred by Yazidi forces. Hazrat Banin was a great poetess, and she is considered as the first poetry reciter on the martyrdom of Imam Hussein. She used to visit the famous Jannat al-Baqi cemetery in Medina and recite her nohas in a very sad voice that everybody present there used to weep. She transformed the Jannat al-Baqi cemetery in Medina as the center of azadari of Imam Hussein. The nohas recited by Hazrat Banin for the martyrdom of Imam Hussein are recorded in historical accounts and are considered as masterpieces in Arabic literature.